Yo, what is up, you guys? So we're working on the Ford Raptor today. I took it into the dealership and they told me it's gonna be about 900 bucks to change this PCV valve out. It's a really quick fix. All you have to do is have some pliers and turn it to the right and it'll pop out. So this is the Ford Raptor and I have an oil catch can, so you're probably wondering what all these hoses are for. But what happened is I was blowing a little bit of smoke outside the tailpipe and I can hear this making a really weird noise, like a squeaking noise. So what you have to do is turn this to the right and pull it out. So you turn it to the right, pull it out. It should come out really easily. And this is the replacement here. Put it in. And then you turn it. I don't know if you can see that. I just put it in and turned it. There's no trick to it, and it shouldn't rotate at all. And that is how you save a couple $100, and it took me about 15 minutes to do. I'm gonna close everything up right now and start driving the truck.